Welcome to the Scepter, Dubai. Good work, 47. We've finally tracked down the Syndicate leader's whereabouts. However, we do not know the exact identity of the target, so you'll have to do some recon. As to why they are here, well, we know this. They are here for a business meeting. We also know that they have brown hair. They are wearing a necklace. They are wearing a hat. And has a tattoo. We also know that the target has a tendency to enjoy food of any kind. And last but not least, they have a sweet tooth. I hope these tells can be used to your advantage. Be careful, 47.
Hey, who is throwing stuff around here? Come on!
Is someone messing with me? I'm tired of this shit. What? What was that noise?
Hey, brah.
Yes.
Good choice. You know where I am if you need more.
Yeah, same code. 6927. Just don't tell your mom. Okay. Okay, but remember, you need to activate the alarm on both floors.
everybody here, sir.
Two of us are stationed up here and below, by the
Line
card
67.
reader. We get an alert, we both
But I
swipe
like
our
listening
cards.
to
Power
radio.
is not to be
Our
taken
Royal
for
Highness
granted.
has never
Where
complained
many
about it
have failed
before.
now.
I'm sorry.
course
But
it is.
Mr. Ingram, who is the Royal Highness's guest, has requested no noise of any kind.
Okay, but it means I'll work slower.
I don't care what tempo you... A lot of running Work. around.
It will be
What we're paid to do.
slow.
Yeah,
And I'll
you'll
probably get a warning about that.
Just like fire drills.
Yeah.
I think I'm in love.
Ah! Hi there.
How about this one? She had a heart, how shall I say? A lad, too easily impressed. She liked what air she looked, and her looks went.
Sir.
Oh, this isn't good. Ooh, I don't think this is good at all.
Yes.
Hey, I'm here if you need more. Want to buy something? Oh, great uniform.
What was that?
Command, I just heard something. I don't know. I'm gonna go check it out.
Look, I'll just have... Wondering, I'm sure if I'm needed out there, one of the technicians will come and find me. I want to share my condolences concerning your father. I never met him, but I know he loved art. It's really sweet of you, but I'm... Oh, don't be silly. I'm here for you. But... Always be here for you. Oh, look over there.
Got some strange noises here.
Looking into it. Over.
So not professional.
Not in the mood for this.
Oh boy. Oh boy, this is bad. Oh. God, I feel sick.
It's just a drink. You don't mind, do you? Oh, I really think
Good
you
for
are
time.
putting on a brave face.
These people.
You shouldn't be hiding back here. You should be out there celebrating life. Oh, now that reminds me, I'm supposed to talk to Richard Voltaire. You know, I'm really frightened of him. His review on the
Somewhere that has the right size. You should probably have someone look at you. That looks...
Congratulations, 47. The leader is eliminated, sending a clear message. You should get back to the safe house. I'll contact you later.
Wow.
Leave the area! Leave the area! Go! Go! Command!
We might have a possible disturbance. I'm moving to investigate. We'll keep you posted. Man, yeah, I'm here now. Nothing here.
Some troublemaker is making...
What's that, Command?
Hey, I need some help here.
Security breach! I need you to move now! Leave the area! Leave the area! Go! Go!